So I'm just sitting here having a nice hot tea. It's raining. It's a clear, it looks like there's a clear front coming through. But all of a sudden she got real cold and it's been thundering like crazy. Though I saw a little bit of lightning, but not too much. So I'm just sitting here underneath my awning. There we go, there's a bit of thunder. Just waiting out the rain and enjoying the beautiful hazed in mountains. You know, it doesn't matter about the weather and that. It's just beautiful here. Hang on. I'll weight this lens down a little bit. Anyway, yeah. We'll let nature do the talking. Oh, she's coming down. Like I said, it's been thundering pretty good, and it cooled off. I mean, this morning it was sunny. When I got up this morning, it was sunny. I had just this shirt on, and it was fine. Then I looked and I saw what was coming. I saw the dark purpley gray clouds coming in. There was clouds kind of hanging, you know how that, and sometimes that can turn into rotation. That kind of worried me a little bit, but it never happened. It broke up. But the wind did pick up, driving from the north, and more north than west, but a little bit west, but mostly north. And yeah, it's raining, and well, it looks like it's changed direction now. Yeah, it's now coming from the northwest. Wow, and that's actually where the clear clouds are coming from, or the clear sky, I should say. The clouds are dissipating. But yeah, it's now coming. It was coming this way. Now it's coming this way. It's coming more like this. I have that plastic bag hanging in the tree that lets me know when I'm down fishing where my camp spot is. And I watch it, it's like a flag. So are the leaves, but that really shows it. And it was literally directly coming from the north at first. And it's changed now. It's coming more from a northwesterly direction. So let me just pick you guys up and move you over here. And I'll just move like that. Yeah. So that's what's going on. Kind of, yesterday I was sitting out in the sun up on that knoll, just enjoying the beautiful weather and looking at the scenery, and just, it was a lazy day. Today I thought, well, I'm gonna go fishing. I got my pants out to go fishing and everything. Was having breakfast, and all of a sudden this blew in. So, but the days here are long. I mean, the sun sets at like after midnight. It's crazy. And yeah, so coming down harder now. So that's what's going on. So I'm just going to wait this out and enjoy the sounds of nature. And this is what it looks like. You see everything's fogged right in. Oops. Yeah, so anyhow, yeah, I'm gonna, hopefully this will clear, which it looks like it is clear sky coming. You can kind of see it right there, maybe. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's less, it's lighter. Anyhow, Wild Bill from the rainy today, NWT out. It was a really neat, that's gone unfortunately. You can see the rays of light coming down, but it was cutting through some rain. You can almost see it sort of right there. It was like a crisscross pattern of light going through the rain. You can sort of see it there. It's probably better if I go out with it. You can see it better. It was a really neat effect. Anyway, as you can see, there's rain over there, and it's just fogging everything right out. But that was there, it's kind of there now. That crisscross effect, the rain coming down and the light piercing the sunlight rays piercing the rain. It's pretty cool. Out for now. There it is there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. The rain's really coming down, filling that bucket. And I would just had the teapot over that and got more than enough for tea tomorrow morning. And now it's going to go in my roto packs. No shortage of water. Wow, it's really coming down hard. Wild Bill, out again. Good old mountain rainwater. I don't know how much of this is going to go in, but I'll try and get... Oh. That's good enough. Some floaties in there, and I don't want them going in. So that's good because it almost filled that. And that was all nice, clean, no floaties in it. No floaties in it. Good for yeah, she's crystal clear. Yeah, look at that. Filled it right up. It was a really neat, that's gone, unfortunately. You can see the rays of light coming down, but it was cutting through some rain. You can almost see it sort of right there. It was like a crisscross pattern of light going through the rain. You can sort of see it there. It's probably better if I go out with it. You can see it better. It was a really neat effect. There it is there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Getting some fresh water from the mountain stream back there. Just filled her up.